right, moving on to my favorite part, which is this part. Tap, 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 tap. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, let me just show you slowly. So from here, we just said no. You want to bring your arms up and go rock star. Here you want to go hit, then you want to go bit back out, and then you want to go cross here, back out. Now you want to say pray. All right, you bring out your arms up like that. So let's just try again. We just did no. From here we want to go flip them up, rock star. You go hit and cross out, pray. Let's just try that again. From here we want to go flip, rock star, hit and cross and pray. One last time, bit faster. Here, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go rock star, hit and cross and pray. You know what? Let's just do it one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go rock star, cross out, pray. Okay, now the rest of the arms part goes right after pray. You want to go flip it down, then you want to flip it back up, and then you want to say open your chest, and then you say push your chest in or back. All right, so from the pray, you want to go down, back up, open chest. All right, let's practice that again. From pray, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go down, up, open, close. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go down, up, open, close. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go down, up, open, close. All right, guys, let's do this whole arms part. So from here, the no, we go rock star, A, cross, out, pray, down, up, open up, A. Let's try that again. From no, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go and rock star, cross, out, pray, down, up, open. Here again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go rock star, cross, out, pray, down, up, open, close. Again, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go rock star, cross, out, pray, down, up, open, close. All right, let's just quickly do it from the tip to the top. Let's see if you remember all the moves. All right, let me do a quick recap. We go stuck, pull, left up, back, down, left, slide, step. We go round and step. A, up, down, right, up, down, and up. Rock star, cross and turn, up, down, chest, and. All right, let's just try and practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go stuck, pull, left, up, back, down, left, slide, step. We go round and step. A, and up, down, right, up, down, and no, and rock star, cross, out, right, up, down, chest, and. All right, let's just try it one last time, same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go stuck, pull, left, up, back, down, left, slide, and we go round, and we go back, up, down, right, up, down, and no, and rock star, cross, pray, up, down, and chest. All right, moving on. So the next part you're gonna learn is this part, famous hip move, and A, and right. Now, the first move is the hip move. If you don't know how to do that, I have a detailed, well, actually 2 detailed tutorials on how to do that. I'll put the links in the description, all right? Now, the arms are saying, left arm out here, right arm is going around, round, all right? It's 1, 2, pretty simple, right? At the same time, you wanna go hip, all right? Right after, you wanna go shh, all right? And then from here, you wanna bring them down. Right goes up first, and then left comes after. All right, so it's right, left. So again, here, round, shh, and right, left. All right, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go round, round, shh, and right, left. And the last thing you want to do is just turn to the other side, to your left. All right, holding a rifle. So this was right side, this is left side. All right, let's just try from the tip to top. 5, well, not the tip to top, well, from this part. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go round, round, and shh, and A, and rifle. Now with the hip, we go here, here, shh, and and turn. Let's just try that again. 5. So it's basically 1, 2, 3, and boom. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4 step here. Yeah, I'll lean to the side. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. And turn. One at a time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn. Alright guys, we're only missing a few steps of the dance, so let's just go through those and then we'll do a full dance run through and then we're gonna practice. Alright, let me break it down for you. So you wanna do this whoa thing, you wanna take your left arm and go hit your shoulder, and your right shoulder is then hit to the front. So you wanna go at the same time, A. So right after A, from here you wanna bring your arms up to your head, and then you wanna go slightly down, bend your knees, and then you wanna go hit, and hit, and. Alright, so notice how my knees go inwards, and inwards, and. Now from here you wanna bring them down, around here, and go sleep, sleep to your left. Alright, and then from here you wanna go call, so you go to the right side, around to the front, here, here. Alright, so let's just try that part. Let's go a bit back to the whoa, up, hip, hip, and sleep, sleep, around, and stop. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go whoa, and A, sleep, sleep, call, and here. Now from here you can do whatever. If you want to do it like Charlie, she does flip her hair like that. So what I'm doing is I'm doing a rebound here on my left leg. So I'm saying lean and, yeah, so lean and then hair and, if you have any hair. And from here you want to go bang to your left, right. So this is my right arm, left arm, right arm. You can also do it the other way around. Okay guys, let me just show you again from the whoa. So we go A, sleep, sleep, and I call, and here, and bang, bang, bang. Alright, so from the tip to the top, let's see if I remember. We go stop, pull, left, up, back, down, left, slide, step, we go round, and step, pull, pull, and up, up, down, we go right, left, right, push, up, down, and no, and rock stop, cross, out, pray, up, down, chest, and we go hip, hip, shh, and pistol, and rifle, and whoa, and left hip, right hip, sleep, sleep, call, and hair, whoa, and bang, bang, bang. Alright, so let me just share the timing as well. So it goes, Wayne, if you wanna see some wet, this dude named Michael used to rap more, bigger than a top. I ain't talking about iPhone. Bill Country now, shh, let me play with his rifle. Wussy put his nut to sleep. Now they calling Mike. Now that's bang, bang, bang. Alright guys, time to practice. We're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Wang, if you wanna see some where this dude Michael used to rap the bigger tower. I ain't talking about Eiffel. Build country, nana, let me play nana rifle. We'll see, not to sleep. I ain't calling me Michael. That's bang, bang, bang. Let's try that again, a bit faster maybe. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. When if you want, where this dude Michael used to rap mood. Bigger than a tower. I ain't in about Eiffel. Build country now. Shh, let me play a rifle. We'll see, put his not sleep and calling me nana. That's bang, bang, bang. Alright guys, one last time, hang in there. 5, 6, 7, 8. When if you wanna see where this dude named Michael used to rap bigger than tower. I ain't talking about Eiffel and build country now. Shh, let me play rifle. We'll see, nana, not sleep and calling me nana. Now that's bang, bang, bang. Alright guys, so before we move on to the counterpart version, make sure that you practice this version many times, because then it'll be super easy to do the other version. Okay, so once you're ready, let me just explain the differences in the counterpart version. Alright, so this part, when if you want to see somewhere, what you do is you're the one being pulled, right? So you want to go to the right and then right, alright? Then right after that, you want to do this chest part. Now you can try it, or you can also do some other simple stuff like moving your hand instead. But let me just explain the chest here. You want to go to the side, yeah? So you're just leading your upper body to your left side. Now you want to pop up your chest here, yeah? And then you want to move it to the right and still keep your chest out here. And then you want to say collapse back down, yeah? And then back to your left. All right, so it's lean to the left, chest up, to the right, chest back, and then to the left. All right, so when you do it a bit faster, it's gonna look like this. Wah, 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 wah. All right, and you can use your shoulders, right, to exaggerate the effect. So when you pop up your chest, you wanna bring your shoulders back. When you collapse, you wanna bring your shoulders to the front, right? So you wanna do ha, boom, boom, ha, ha. All right, so to the front, boom, 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 boom. Or you can do simple stuff like just moving your hand. So the other one is just pulling your hand. All right, so again to the left, up, down, left. And let me just show the last move here. It's then you wanna drag the other person to your left here. So from right to left. All right, so right after the chest part here, and then to your left, you wanna say drag. All right, let's just do a quick recap from the beginning. So you're the one being dragged, you go way, whoa. And then you wanna do this chest part, starting to the left, boom, here, back to the left. And then from here, you wanna say pull. All right, let's just try that. So the timing is when if you wanna see somewhere, this dude. Okay, so let's just practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. When if you wanna see somewhere, this dude. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. When if you wanna see somewhere, this dude. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. When wanna see somewhere, this dude. And then from here, you just do as in the other version. So right after you pull, you want to say step, you go boom, A, Right motorcycle, bigger. I ain't talking about nana and big country nash. Now from here, instead of going pistols this way, you go pistols this way to your left. Alright? So, and then from here, you want to do the opposite with the rifle. You just point to your right instead of your left. Alright? So let me just go a bit back. So in the first version, you go pistol to this side, your right side, and then you go point rifle to your left. But in here, you go to your left pistol and then rifle to your right. Alright, so right after pistols and then rifle, you want to do the whoa, the same side as in the other version, so you go way. Now from here, instead of doing you want to go down and do the hip pop. Now I have a detailed tutorial on how to do that. If you don't know how to do it, I'll leave the link in the description, alright? But it's basically just popping to your right and then left. Alright, and then you just go up and continue the dance from sleep, sleep, call. Alright, so just rewind and practice from pistol, pistol, rifle, whoa, and then pop, pop. Alright, let's just practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Pistol, rifle, whoa, pop, pop. Let me just explain the timing for this part as well. So it goes, let me play with his rifle, wussy, put his nut to sleep, and so on. Okay, let's just practice one last time. So, from rifle, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me play with his rifle, wussy, put his nut to sleep, and so on. Then, like I said, you just continue the dance here, same as in the other version. You do call, you do Michael, and then you want to say bang, bang, bang. From here, you want to do head back, so you're basically looking up. Then you want to do chest up, and then your head goes a bit down. And then you want to continue the body roll, alright? I have a detailed tutorial on how to do the body roll if you're interested in that. I'll also leave the link in the description. And this part is on bang, bang, bang. So you go bang, bang, bang. Alright, let's just practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that's bang, bang, bang. Alright guys, let's just quickly do it from the tip to the top. Yeah, so it goes 5, 6, 7, 8. We go when you wanna see when this dude named that used to bigger than a tower. I ain't talk and big country and I play with his rifle. We see nana and sleep. I ain't talking about that's bang, bang, bang. Alright guys, let's try it one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. When you wanna see somewhere, this dude, Michael, bigger than I ain't talking about and big country play with this rifle. We'll see na sleep. I ain't calling me that's bang, bang, bang. Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. Alright, so that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the WAP versus Anaconda TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.